Hello brothers, I hope you are in good health. FB Mondial is an Italian brand who came back to report the birth again by offering a product in the form of a street fighter motorcycle with the name Piega 125. Although the bike comes with a small engine capacity, but it is full of features and equipment for riding that focus around with aerodynamics. So let's check this out. The 2022 FB Mondial Piega 125 was designed by Italian designer Rodolfo Frescoli. The man behind the design of the latest Suzuki Katana and other Suzuki products said it's no surprise that we're seeing two stacked headlights design, which is the same pattern we saw on the latest GSX S1000 launch last year. The most interesting part of the Piega 125 design is in the rear, where the taillights, license plate, and the turn signals is mounted above the rear bumper, as well as a wide handlebar typical of street fighter bike. Not only that, the split seat, underbelly exhaust, and the swing arm also makes it look more sporty. Meanwhile, the braking systems are handled by a single disc brake at the front and rear wheels, complete with a single-channel ABS. In addition, this Piega 125 also features full digital TFT screen, full LED lighting systems with projector headlights, as well as winglet to help increase downforce. Then for the chassis, this bike is built on the Delta box construction with a floating subframe, complete with 40mm upside-down front suspension and 5-level adjustable rear suspension. In terms of the engine, the Piega 125 is powered by 124cc single-cylinder 4-stroke DOHC liquid coolant engine, producing maximum power of 14.8 horsepower and maximum torque of 10.5 newtons, which is comparable to the KTM Dukes 125 with a power of up to 14.5 horsepower and 12 newtons of torque. But with the advantage of weight, the Piega 125 has a curb weight of 139 kilograms, which is lighter than the Duke 125 with a curb weight of 159 kilograms. Last for the price, the 2022 FB Mondial Piega 125 costs 4,400 euros for the European market. Stay healthy brothers, hope you enjoy this video.